This is Pranav Guha Thakurta from EduTV. Today, we are with Dr. Mehrotra, the famous Dr. Anju Mehrotra. She is the head of Kalka Public School, Kalkaji, New Delhi, India. Ma'am, we would like to have your views and advice on the new landscape and changes in education post-pandemic.
Namaskar. Pandemic, I think it has really changed our life, but we know it very well that change is the unchanging law of life, and we have very well accepted it. And I'm glad, that teaching fraternity, especially, is really taking care of it, and they have adapted it so well, so successfully, which is really visible to everyone. So we have really set an example. Now when we talk about education, this whole scenario has changed, right? It's new NEP has also come up, during this period only, as it is, the pandemic, which has posed a lot of challenges, to the teachers. The more discussions and going deep into it, actually the NEP also, this has also caused a challenge for all of us. So we really need to think about one side, that how to handle our online classes, one part, how to really cover up the whole thing, so that our children and even the teachers, I mean, as leaders, the teachers and the students and even the parents, all stakeholders, they are at the same platform and they don't feel like uncomfortable when it comes to pandemic. And on the other hand, to try to maintain a balance and to think of some, say, new kind of pedagogy, and new techniques by which we can really cater to, and also think of the best and the most successful execution implementation of the new education policy as well, and making it acquainted, to everyone. So these are the basic challenges. But when I say um, education, in post pandemic, of course, the new normal, the things are going to be very different. But I know, since we know that we have really shifted, from that kind of, say, VUCA negative word, to our VUCA positive world, which always has been, like, say, volatile, uncertain, and complex and ambiguous. But we always talk in terms of positive, of course, in the current scenario, in the current environment, in the contemporary situation, when we say that VUCA is, say, your vision, VUCA is, say, how we can be versatile, more versatile about it, more understanding, and the kind of courage we can have, to handle the situation. And the most importantly is the adaptability. So how we are going to adapt to this situation, how we can make the things happen for everyone, that's a big challenge. This is how, we are going to really take care of the things. And we know that if, say, we are prepared, for the unexpected and the unknown, then we can very easily turn the any kind of calamity, which is existing even now, into an
Correct.
opportunity. So let's take this pandemic, as an opportunity. This has been a real great opportunity, learning opportunity, in fact, for everyone. We, the leaders, have learned a lot, right? The teachers have really learned a lot. And I'm
Right.
sure the parents, the role of parents, which was actually, not, we can say, very, very positive earlier, they have really come up so well. So even the students, they are really coming up. So the whole scenario has changed, but there is a long way to go. Obviously, we will be thinking about it, we will be talking, many things to go, and it's an ongoing learning process, which keeps on happening, and we keep on adding to certain things. There should not be any pause to it, and we should continue, walking through this road. And when I talk about this NEP, I'm very, glad to say that a lot of emphasis which has been made on the early childhood, plus, which, when it talks about three S's, they are like success and sustainability for society. And
Right.
it is equally related to three E's, which says that equity and excellence for everybody. So when we
Right.
say that these things are available, how we can sustain, right, and how we can let everybody get the equal opportunity to excel in their lives. So the opportunity is very much there. We have to make use of this opportunity to bring
Correct.
about a kind of change we are looking for. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think you have put it in a very nice way, very positive way. In fact, ma'am, the fact of the matter is, previously, before pandemic, we used to do 1 or 2 conference in a month in
Yeah.
some 5 hotel or Gymkhana club or somewhere else. Now, ma'am, we can do 4 conference in one day.
That's the yeah.
And people learn
This is how,
technology so fast.
I mean,
Yes,
this
ma'am?
is the advantage. This is the benefit of
Yes,
the pandemic. When you are at home, probably you can really make use of your time. So
correct,
it's either
correct.
waste or invest. So we are investing so much into it. So
True.
this is it.
I think it was very energetic, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Alliance University, India's top-ranked university. Over 20,000 alumni in 50 countries. Study abroad options in 55 universities and placements in over 353 companies. Alliance University, Bengaluru.